How you guys doing? It is the 8th day, September 2024. Hello, it's 2025. How you doing? 2 days is the big debate. Hopefully pop some popcorn, but here we are in Brooklyn Park. We're gonna go over to 610. I kind of followed the road. I looked on Google Maps. 6 guys are playing some pumpkin ball on a beautiful fall day. Nice little park here. Let's walk up this pedestrian bridge. We wanted to go there for a long time. We got off earlier today. I'm like, I'm gonna come up here. Boom, her Vikings open up in New Jersey. My Cowboys are in Cleveland. So here we are. Why now we'll see who won the Super Bowl. So we go. Nice little Brooklyn Park. Jesse Ventura. I was a Navy SEAL. He was the mayor of this town. They have Ember Golf Course. I predicted the Lions would win, so we'll see if I was right. Smelly city, so it's kind of nice. Nice park here. I actually watched my first youth baseball game yesterday in a long time. My nephew was in town from Bemidji, so they split a doubleheader. So got the Beast parked way over there. Nice little park in Brooklyn Park. It's a nicer part, but my obsession with lovely and talented pedestrian bridges. I just kind of followed the road. I looked on the map, and there it was. I figured it was a park, but I'm on the DGI. Nice park. Little sandlot. We had something like that when I grew up. Just like that. Mr. Swanson, when he passed away, they burned down his house and sold his land. Never saw the guy, but cut the grass for us. We played baseball there all the time. At the wall here. 610. Gone by this place many, many times. Man, I want to get up there and try this one. So it was a lot easier, I thought, to find it. Got a couple more I got to get at. We're pretty much done. Do some bike riding. I want to go down to the river before the thing else. But beautiful day for videoing. Not too hot. I was in Wisconsin, bought 2 packs of cigars for $11. Would have been like 18. A small one, but I like them. Whenever I go to Wisconsin, I always try to pack up on cigars. Looking forward. By the time you see this video, we're already in St. Martin. I love going there because they always have flavored cigars, strawberry and grape. We don't have them here because I think they're targeting children. Anyway, it's a nice one. Very nice. Good old 610. Goes all the way to, connects through to 94. And goes all the way into St. Paul. Yep, hopefully the Motor City Kitties in Buffalo were this year. I could be right for once, so who knows? We'll see if Kamala's in there or the hunch. Nice. Concrete, real concrete. Good concrete. Isn't that solid gray. Yeah, Jesse was the mayor here. They built the Edinburgh Golf Course, which is a fun golf course. Trent Jones, he designed that one. It's a nice golf course. The LPGA has been before. Hopefully by this year we can get gambling in this town if I decide I want to go play a little band in the National Fix League that said to go down to Iowa. But who knows? See any major? I mean, there's a crack right here. Not bad. For how old it probably is. So these get a lot of these get a lot of bikes on. You can kind of see that guy behind me. Not a lot of trash. Some trash over there, but not bad. This kind of goes around the corner over here. I don't think it's, that kind of goes into residential, so you can kind of see over here around the corner. Probably trails over here, so there we go. Go back up, go back over. I was gonna go for a bike ride today, but I forgot it's game day, week 1. I'm like, oh, can't do that. I do want to finish the bike trail the opposite direction all the way down to Chaska. You saw those 6 videos I did all the way down the old Mighty Mo, so. That was my, when I saw that, I knew I was getting close. And when I drove on the highway, that was my landmark, that thing up there. They're building one off of 94 right before 61, brand new one. There's one a little farther down, so pretty much got them all. This was one I didn't realize was here, kind of difficult to get to, but I'm like, once I realized where it was at, what the hell, the obsession is real, right? My drug. The one you guys saw yesterday, Choppy, was brand new. Brookings Center is kind of crime-ridden. Brooklyn Park is okay. Convoy. There's the RV trailer over there. Hauling ass. What you got there? You got a nice Ram. Still broke down. It's a nice little park. We got 2 pumpkin ball courts. kind of tell it's track housing over here too as well. So. That's a nice little sand lot. Come out with your buddies down here, with your son or daughter, and throw the ball around. Whatever. That's exactly what we had. It's just like that. Backstop. Our pitcher always covered home. We had Shady Oak Road out there, but nice little park. Got the younger kids go over there. Pumpkin walls over there. Pumpkin over here. Nice park. Hate to see green spaces get bowled under like golf courses. We did a park off of 7th Street in St. Paul, but it's really run down. They put apartments in there, but you gotta have green spaces in your community, especially golf courses and parks. But any of you guys, on the Action 4, on the beautiful day of the 8th day of September, 2024. Another pedestrian bridge in the books. All right, man. Yahoo!